All right, good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the new school year. This year we are going to be focusing on cooperative learning and project-based learning. Now, as we focus on project-based learning this year, teamwork is going to be critical, and so we're going to focus on cooperative learning. This training video is going to show you how to work in teams and how to work cooperatively with your partners. Thank you.
Hi boys and girls, I want to welcome you to the new school year. My name is Ms. Lacefield. I'm the counselor here at Wise, and the counselor, as you'll come to know if you don't already, is your friend here. She is someone who wants the very best for you and someone who wants to help you to know how to get along here at school and in life.
What does it mean to do teamwork?
Well, when you do teamwork, you're like teaching, you're like helping the other person helping them by teamwork. You're working with them, and when they teamwork together, they have to work together nicely and be kind their ideas and materials with their group.
Perfect. When we get in teams, what's the first thing we do?
Get with your partner group. Look at your team members.
Okay. What's the second thing you do when we're working on teamwork?
Listen to the teacher's instructions.
Fabulous. What's the third thing we do when we do teamwork?
Talk, listen, and share ideas with your group.
Great. Tell us the last thing you do when you do teamwork.
You get the job done, stay on task, and follow the teacher's instructions. Phone center.
What else are you going to teach the children? Sanjay? Okay, listen, you can help him write that. You can give him ideas of how to write. If he needs help, you're allowed to help each other. Okay?
Listen to
Right. Do they need to listen to the teacher and follow instructions and do the job and work? How do they need to work together?
Work together nicely.
Fabulous.
You talk about it?
Correct. Okay. So what are you going to put on your chart?
I'm going to put it on the chart. You have to turn sharing and talking.
Okay. Kylie, what are you going to put?
Color on the wall.
Okay. So you're going to listen to the teacher and go to a person that's on the color that she tells you to? Okay. Kylie, what are you going to put on this chart? What do the children need to know when the teacher says we're using color on the rug? What do they need to know?
The color.
You need to know the color. And what else do you need to know? Right? And when you're with your partner, what do?
You talk about it.
Right. And do you listen to your partner? And Omar, what else do you do when you're working with a partner? How do you work with your partner? Do you do teamwork? And do you get the job done? Yes, fabulous. I think we're already taping. What are you going to put on your chart? Tell us about it.
We can teach them that 4 X's.
Okay.
Hey, what's this? As a teacher, we can teach them how to play in centers.
Okay, and how do you play in centers? Okay. What are you putting on the chart?
We can help them teach them play together.
And when they play together, how do they need to play together? Do they listen to each other? Okay. And what else are you going to put on the chart, Cheyenne?
We're going to put on the chart. We can play together as a team and be nice to all of our friends in this classroom.
Fabulous. Keep working. Tell us the first way we divide into groups.
The teacher chooses who is in.
Okay. Tell us another way that we divide into groups.
Kids' choice.
What does that mean?
The kids pick their partners.
Okay, boys and girls, everybody pick a partner. Ready, set, get with your partner. Fabulous. And then I will give you a job to do. Great. Tell us another way we divide into groups.
We pair up
According
to the bilingual partner chart.
Excellent. Boys and girls, go with your bilingual partner to your math centers. Okay, everybody knows what they're doing? You're going to sort by color, and then you're going to figure out what group has the most, what group has the fewest, and what group has the same. This is the objective when the children are in centers today.
Sorting by colors.
And then what are you going to do?
Count them.
Are you going to compare them?
Yes.
And you're going to tell what? What are you going to say?
What have the most?
Okay. Good job. Wow. Fabulous. Let's practice our interviewing skills for the video you're producing.
I didn't know it all bad. I know that's a meatball. That's probably a hot pepper. And that's probably pineapple and meatballs. I'm getting
Do you know what they call this kind of thing on a stick?
a shish kebab.
Yes, you are so right.
Can you see it perfect? Yes. Okay, it's starting now.
Remember, we've been talking. Now, a problem is when there is something that you have to decide what you're going to do about it. That's what a problem is when you have something going on that you have to decide what you're going to do about it. And every time we have a problem, it makes us feel a little bad inside. You know, you might be sad about the problem. You might be scared about the problem. You could even have a problem that's really kind of good. Like if I said to you, Do you want to go to Six Flags, or do you want to go to Hurricane Harbor? Those would be good problems, but it kind of makes you feel nervous inside, kind of worried, because you go, how do I ever decide between those two good things? So when we have a problem, that means that there is a big decision that has to be made. If you're in the classroom and your teacher tells you that you need to do some work in the classroom and you can't remember how to do it, you have a problem that has to be solved. The problem is, what do I do so that I will remember how to do the work? Some boys and girls choose to solve the problem by crying. Does crying solve a problem? No. No. Some boys and girls choose to solve a problem by getting angry. Does getting angry solve a problem? No. So that is not a good way to solve a problem. What does the word solve mean? Can somebody tell me, Claire, what does solve mean?
That means you're trying to figure out what it is.
Exactly, you're trying.
We got one